Hey there, welcome to a drawing tutorial, and today we will see how to draw a beautiful flower, and that is hibiscus. But at the beginning I wanna say that if you are a new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Now let's keep drawing.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.